Hi all, welcome back to my channel PySpark Pulse. So it's been a week. I've created a video since I was busy in some of the important tasks. Okay, so in this video we'll be learning about some of the different option while saving a file in PySpark. So let us go through this Excel sheet. This I've created, and also I've uploaded this in my LinkedIn. I will paste the link so that you can also browse it over there. So some of the format are like CSV, Parquet, JSON, OASI, and Avro, and Delta format that I have not mentioned here, but that I will show in the demo. So for CSV, we can specify header, delimiter, quote, then mode of the how to want to save the file. This can be overwrite, append, ignore, or error. So this is the syntax, the option header, true, option delimiter. We can provide our delimiter. Here I have given semicolon. We can give as pipe operator or comma operator. Like default is comma or anything like which you want. Okay, like this we can give. Then there will be quote. Okay, how we want the quotes to be, go for the field containing special characters. Then mode, then the compression quality, gzap, snappy, and we will also discussing how snappy is more favorable than gzip, and others are also there, but that needs some installation. These two are like by default we can use. And Parquet is there, that is uh, PySpark's favorite format, we can say. Okay, then JSON is there, ORC is there, Avro is there. All this we can save, using PySpark. And Delta, like Delta is also there. I will be discussing different options, what we get. I have mentioned some over here. So that will be a very interesting thing. We will be learning a lot of things, and also some of the important interview questions that you might get out of this. We will also discuss that. So let us now, without wasting much time, let us directly jump into a database notebook and do the execution. So this is our database notebook. Okay, and you can see we have created sample data and also created a schema for our data. These are the required functions that you want, and required libraries we have already imported. We have also converted this birth date column into our date column. Okay, this was a string earlier. We have converted into date. So let us run this and visualize. Okay, already I have run, and this is our data, how it is looking. Name, age, birth date, role, salary, department, and also I've created one sample folder in our location. You can see a folder. Actually I have run this, so it might have some files. Let us see. Okay, it is having one file only. Once I have run to test the CSV file only, so it is already having. Okay, so let us discuss this code. We have partitioned the code by department, and sample output.cs we have given the folder null value as NA. This is because I have willingly given one value as a none. Okay, so that we can see this option, how it behaves. Okay, so let us just read this also. Spark.read.csv. We'll be giving the path here. Okay, let us give this headers equal true to this show. If path must be absolute, this is because like we have not given dbfs. Okay, dbfs gone. Should be single quote, sorry, by mistake I have given double. Okay, so you can see here rows is having na. Earlier how it was null. So this is suppose of our code is having any null values, and we just want to save it with our default value, like whatever value we want. Okay, so this can be client defined also, like client is expecting some null values, and like those rows can't be deleted, and we don't want them to be creating some problem in our analysis, so we can save this like this. Okay, so this is how we can save CSV file, and different partitions by department we have done. So let us see that also. DBFS and sample. Then output.csv we have done. So we can see that department A, department B, and department C. So all the partitions are done on the basis of three departments were there. So on the basis of department we have done. Okay. So this is how we read the CSV file with this is reading perfectly. Now let us also earlier I have not given any compression. Okay, I have not given any compression here. So let us see the compression in this file. For JSON file, sample underscore output underscore JSON, we will give this path, output underscore JSON. Okay, let us run this. Like no need to run this and show the output. This will be the same only, but let us see the path. dbfs, then sample, and this output.json. Okay, since partition is not there, we can see the path. Okay, let me copy this copy path and I will show you. I will just show you. It's json.gz. Okay, so it means that it has zipped the file, it compressed the file in gzip format. Like it will reduce the size when the file is a lot bigger and we want to reduce the size, so we can use this compression techniques and all. So this same is for Parquet. Like not much difference will be there, just the size of the file. If we are having a large file, that we can use this partition by. And let us put in quotes also, and output dot parquet we will give. Nothing fancy here. This is like very much similar how we are doing other things. Just change the parquet format. Oh, unexpected character. Okay. What is the error here? Unexpected character after line continuation character line over 4. Let us see the error. Partition by department. Who is doing here? Not partition by department. What is the error then? Okay, some space issues there. Okay, I got it. The space issue is there. Yeah. So it has run the file and that folder will also be created. Sample and output.parquet. It is created according to department. Okay. Now let us go with this bucket by. Let us copy the same. I will also tell you the difference of Parquet and like partition by and bucket by, when to use what. Okay. Okay. Bucketing by name with three column, three buckets. Okay. Character. Let us delete these things. These are not expected by so it is giving error. It does not support bucket by right now. Okay, we need to save as table. Save as table. Yeah, now it will work fine. Syntax error. Some syntax error. Sample output. Okay. We need to give this table name output.parquet. We'll just give it the table name as output.parquet. No issues. Okay. Now let us see the output. It will be just created in our catalog only directly. Output.parquet. Yeah. This is the one. And you can see, okay. Let me, this should be like a table, right? So we have to see in this database tables. Yeah, it gets created in database of tables. And it has saved this, it has created a schema and all. Let us see this in more detail. Okay, like directly it will be asking to delete. User Hive warehouse even output.park. Yeah, here it is saving in the Hive path. This is table name. Let me just see once again. Okay, let me go back to my Databricks notebook. output underscore Parquet. So it is in the user and output underscore Parquet. So this is how it is, save the file. One, two, three, four, five, six, eight partitions here turn on the file, and it has saved the file as such. Okay. So bucket by and partition by, like what is when we need to use this bucket by and partition by, I will just mention one line here. Partition by, like when the cardinality of the column is high, cardinality of column is high, then we should go with partition by. And when the like medium to high, right? Medium to high we can mention. And when the bucket by, we need to use when you know, cardinality of the column is cardinality of the column is cardinality of column is low, then we should go with bucket by. With different buckets it will be creating. So that's how we should use this partition by and bucket by. Like according to different situations we can use this, and different project criteria we can use this, and according to the situation we can react. So both are having optimization method. These are like optimization techniques actually. When we have larger data and we are knowing that optimization techniques. Okay. Generally, like also like when we know that we are going to perform some joins. Okay, like wire transform joins or group by. So we can use this bucket by, and here we are when we are knowing that we are going to use this where condition or filtering the data, then we can go with this partition by of the column. Okay, we can combine this also like according to our need. So in these situations we can use this partition by or bucket by. Let me comment this out actually, these three lines. Okay, now I have to give you understanding of one more option that is very interesting one. You all will be enjoying it. So let us they create this two data frames. You can see the first data frame is having only name and age column, and the second data frame is having name, age as well as department column. Okay, so let us see both the columns, both the data frames, sorry, name, age, ls25, name, age, bob 30, hr. Okay, so these two we are having. Now this is our one format I was talking about, delta format, that is a very specific special format for Parquet. So let us just save the first one in our this sample folder. And okay, we are keeping the mode as append so that it will add the data, insert the data. Let us just save the data. Path must be absolute. Okay, absolute path it is asking, so we can give dbfs slash. So it has saved the data. Okay, now let us try to read this also. Spark dot read dot format delta and dot load. We can give this path. Dot so also I should mention. So we are able to see name age ls25. Okay, now one more thing, we can see that df2 it is having one extra column, that is department. Let us try to merge this. Okay, so it has given the error. Okay, a schema mismatch detected or writing to delta table. This table id is to enable schema migration in data frame or data stream writer, please set dot option merge schema. So already it is giving the solution also. With the error it is also giving the solution. So let us keep the words of our Databricks and include this option in our data frame. So you can see this was giving error because of the difference in schema name age and name age department. So let us now run this with this schema. Option merge schema is equal to true. Now it will not throw any error. So like this is the magic of Databricks and PySpark. Now let us run this query again. We can see one row has appended Bob 30 HR and Alice 25 null. This automatically, like PySpark is smart enough, we can see that it has not having any value, so it has you know just kept it as null. So this is important thing which I wanted to convey, because this is very important topic as for interview perspective also. So for that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and in case of any doubts you can comment on the video, or you can ping me on LinkedIn. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.